Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to host your own Minecraft server. We're going to be hosting the latest snapshot, which is Minecraft 1.16.0. And to begin, we need to open our browser, and then we'll search for Minecraft. The latest snapshot version as of now is 20W21A. This is where we want to go. And on the bottom of this page, there is a link called Minecraft Server Jar. So we want to click on it and save this file. Okay. So after the save is complete, we want to make a folder on our desktop. I'm going to call it Minecraft Server 1.16.0. And we want to move this server.jar inside that folder. We don't need this one anymore. We go inside this folder. And here, what we want to do is create a .bat file. So I'm going to do it right now. So it's going to be called start server.bat. It will ask me if I want to change the file name extension, but we actually want to keep it bat so that it's an executable. If for some reason here you get .bat.txt, then you go on the View tab and you make sure that the file name extension is checked here. Okay. So after this, I want to edit this file with, in my case, with Notepad++. It could be any other text editor. And what we want to write here is Java xmx. And here we're going to specify the amount of memory that the server is going to use. So based on your system, you want to give it more or less. If you have 8 gigabytes of RAM on your system, then I guess you could give it 2 gigs of RAM, or you could go with even 4 gigs of RAM. But I think that 2 gigs of RAM are usually enough. So I'm going to go with 248M. And then also we want to specify XMS, and that's also going to be 248M. After that, we go -jar, and we want to start the server.jar, and we want it to be no GUI. Basically, it's not going to have a graphical interface. We save this one, and now we are ready to execute it the first time. So we need to execute it the first time. You're going to get this command prompt, and it's going to close. And when we go back to the folder, you're going to see that we have eula.txt. We need to go inside that file, and basically we have to change eula equals false to true. Save this one. And now we can start it again. Or what you could also do, you have another file here, which is called server.properties. If we open up this one, you will see a bunch of options here. I'm not going to go through all of them, but basically here are going to be all of your settings. You could, for example, change the server port you want it to be in. The default one is 25565. You can specify Minecraft, a name for your Minecraft server. You could have a level seed, and so on and so forth. You could have a password even if you want it to be password protected. And there's also an option here called online mode. So this one could also be set to false. After you're done with your settings and you have everything as you like it, then we can start our server. And as you see here, it's going to take a bit. But after that, you're ready to go basically. Here you can see the server version, which is 20W21A. So that's correct. So yeah, after you see here done, then you're ready to go. Based on how you want to access the server, if you want to do it locally, then you could go with an IP, local IP, which would be 127.0.0.1, and then you need to specify the port 25565. Yep. So that's one of the ways you could go with it. Another way, if you want to play with your friends through the internet, then in order for them to be able to access the server, you need to port forward port 25565, and then you need to give them your public IP. The easiest way to find your public IP is to just Google it. So basically, you Google public IP, and you should be able to see your current public IP. So that's pretty much it. I mean, you're ready to go and play Minecraft. Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, please subscribe below.